My video is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site megatonne.com. Megatonne.com is a junk and very deceptive site. It actually claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application. The pop-up also says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But this information, by the way, is absolutely faulty and deceptive. The similar scary message may also come up on many other computers in various world locations. So in each case, the pop-up says that the PC is infected with 5 viruses, and it cannot be true because it cannot be so that so many computers are infected with exact number of viruses. As I said, these pop-ups are fake and they try to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So please don't interact with these deceptive and fake alerts. I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these 3 free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.